It's March 14th, 2024. Let's go over today's trades. Up 1400 on the day. Or no, 1600, almost 1700 on the day. Let's look at this, the execution chart, see how the session played out. So in the morning we had this big sell-off. I didn't catch any of this. And then let's see, I took some. I started to get long. I think around this 215 area. Sorry, I'm trying to get it lined up here. Yeah, so we tried taking some longs here at this 212. This 212 area. Jesus. Around 212 here. Expecting a bounce here, maybe like a short continuation. We got chopped up a little bit here. Did a pretty good job managing our entries. There's another opportunity to get in long here. I didn't really like this that much. Let's see why. Where were we at the delta at this time? So on the delta, yeah, I think I was taking longs at this 10,000 area, and we just ran right through it. Then we found buyers around this 1400 minus 1400 level. And then I got back in as we started to break out and hold above this zone, just for kind of 1 point of continuation. So it would have been a great trade. I think I took my main scale out here, and then took another scale out here, and then we took. Yeah, we had some short ideas. We started to see that the market was really the same thing we saw yesterday, just like tremendous selling, like very heavy selling. Not a lot of price movement though, so just a lot of absorption, a lot of weird market making activity. We entered another short here just in this range for a scalp. I was really looking for this to continue down, which we did eventually here. Let's see. So yeah, and then we were choppy during this part, just very rotational for most of the session. Yeah, we took some shorts around this range. I think we were also, let's see, when did we get in? We got in at 216 here. So I think we took a small short here. We were just seeing we're trying to hold below this value area high on the weekly. And then started to see, yeah, we started to see this market wanted to make new lows, and I kind of saw this as just like sometimes the market will just create these false lows to break through. And if we look, I gotta get my shit in order here. If we look here, yeah, this is when this low was created. This 25,000 area, kind of supporting here. There's no way I would have got this long ever. I don't really like trading around this 95. These weekly VWAP lines. I try to avoid these as much as I can. We saw this thing come up, and then I had some good ideas to get in short here. I entered some short positions here. We were doing this thing. Let's pull up exactly when this happened. Yeah, so while this was occurring, the VWAP was very high. VWAP was very high here, and so we had some short ideas because we thought maybe we were going to take out this low, and we had this point we've been eyeing all day, which is this 88 level. So we had good short ideas. Our short ideas we got back in again, but this is just not we don't have this super refined. This is more discretionary, so I've just been trading real small on these. But we got a little bit of scalps here, not much, just basically break-even trades, small profits, and then um, these these breakout pullbacks where we just break above this our volume point of control. I see this often, and we can see how it was setting up um, here. So we kind of broke above. I think I entered short here, and then it came up a little bit more. Tested that point of control, um, but I was suspecting we were going to be short here. And see maybe what we saw yesterday, this 30,000 level. We were eyeballing this. Sure enough, we had this kind of uh, big sell-off here, and then it got real choppy and weird here for a moment. I think we were kind of playing these like mind games where we thought that um, this like yesterday we sold off to 30,000 area, and we kind of got this breakout pullback, massive dump. So I think a lot of people were suspecting this pullback, and for it to flush further. But we were at this kind of at a nice level here. We're at this 27,500 area or so, and it still met my criteria. And we were in perfect confluence with this half gap. Um, so wow, look at this! My goodness, oh my God, see how much volume we just got right there. That was insane. Um, This is why, okay, so we caught we scaled in one position here because we thought, we were going to pull some fake out business. So we scaled into this 95 area, which was an ideal, but the real snipe entry was right here, which we caught, which was beautiful. And then, we held this up, and we took one scale out at the first point of resistance, and then we took our second scale out, I think around this 209 area. When we hit this negative 20,000 delta. But I mean, this is why trades like this, man, if I had entered an intraday account, this is a trade I would have just held until tomorrow. Like I would have just held this overnight because I'm pretty sure we're going to be really extremely bullish tomorrow. University of Michigan sentiment, things like that. So I scaled out here just because the session's pretty much over, but I mean, look how much volume we got. That's just insane. To this 10,000 area, just so much aggressive buying. So yeah, this was really. Let's pull up the weekly so we can see that level. Broaden this a little bit, but this is the level I was eyeballing. Oh wait, where was it? Here, yeah. This 88 area. I knew this was going to be super important because not only is it a volume area. Not only is it a volume like green line, it also is a half gap at I'll draw it here between between here and here. Yeah, so it's also a half gap between these 2 points. So I knew the market was eyeballing this level. There's so much confluence here. It was such a powerful level, and we've been on this kind of uptrend. So this is definitely like this is our kind of this is like a, I don't know, I haven't really seen this too often, so I don't know if this is A plus plus or what this is, but it was a really great entry level. I knew the market was eyeballing that all day. It's unfortunate that this doesn't show itself earlier in the session because as an intraday, I can only hold this for till the end of the session. So let's see, and we held that trade. We were only in that trade for 15 minutes. And even I won another 15 points. I mean, it's crazy. I think trades like this sometimes we just need to hold these till like the end of the session, like literally till they force us to close our positions because these are our best setups where we just need to sit in our hands and just wait because we could have gotten even more out of this. But only traded 2 contracts here, trying to manage our risk appropriately. But it was a really good session. Not really trading any large. I don't know. Moments like this, I'm always hesitant to like trade size, but I mean, look at this thing. It's going to keep going. I bet it's crazy. Um, yeah. So tomorrow's sentiment is definitely bullish. If we look at this market profile here, yeah, wow, that's insane. We came here. We've already crossed our entire value market profile area. That's nuts. So I presume we're going to be bullish. We're going to want to take out these highs. We have targets at this kind of 283 area. One thing to note too is that our we drew this half gap line, and we didn't know if the market was going to respect it or not. But look, I mean, literally to the tick, this half gap, and this half gap is between our current weekly, current yearly value area high, or high standard deviation band. And all we did was we just drew a half gap between that point and our market, our volume profile area high for the week. So that's good to know that the market also respects these levels. So this is probably going to be a key point tomorrow, 52. If we break out and hold above it, I'm guessing we're just going to be crazy bullish overnight. This 40 area is going to be very significant. Let's look at this market profile here. So yeah, we have this the 224 area. Maybe even I doubt we're going to see this, but a pull back to 216 or something, supporting here, continue higher. But I think tomorrow we're probably going to take out these highs, and we have targets at 283 or so.